Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to find the admin of a Facebook page. First, open your favorite browser and log in to Facebook. As soon as you log into Facebook, you can see that I have 2 or 3 groups here in advance. I choose one of them. After selecting, the interview of that page will be shown to you. As soon as this page opens in front of you, you have to scroll down. And here you will find the button, Learn More. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will open in front of you. As soon as the new format opens in front of you, you have to scroll down a bit. And here are the group members and here are the group admins. You can open any of them. After opening, the admin's location of the group is available to you. That is what his ID is. Or he might have shared his details here in the intro. If he does not share, you can now find out by messaging him. His details, etc. This was the method, how to find the admin in a Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.